Hi, well I did my MOT and it said that I had an opaque headlight, and I've always had problems, with the visibility, as you said, to do with maybe sometimes to do with the headlight being not at the right angle and stuff that didn't help. But I had a go there at using a toothbrush, like they see on the internet when they've all got it. But I don't think I've really achieved it, because I still can't see through it completely, which is a bit annoying. So I'm not really sure what I need to do. So it is cleaner a bit, but it's still not great. So I guess I need to use another kit. And as you can see in the other one, it's still dirty. But I just wondered, do other people find much success with the toothpaste? And or do I need to get one of these headlight restorer kits? But to me, it's still not fixed properly, so I don't know if that's not good enough, that one. But that's what I tried to use in an old toothbrush, but maybe it's too soft. I don't know. Well, I tried anyway, so we'll see what happens. Well, I don't think I've achieved anything in the end. I tried. I still got all that line of stuff there, all that opaque stuff. But whether it's slightly cleaner or not, I really don't know, to be honest. And then I got a bit impatient, not my finest moment, and I took out some sandpaper. That was silly. Only 600, and I went and did the top of that. So I shouldn't have done that there, because it's just, you can see the scratches. It just scratches. So I guess I'm gonna have to do the full restoring kit sometime, because it's not made it worse, because I think that's what you put as your first coat. I should have, first scratching it off, I should have done it with like finer stuff. Shouldn't have taken that on. And then I tried to clean it, but I didn't get very far. So hopeless. That'll do for today. So after my bad attempt the last day, when I sanded it a few weeks ago, I guess at some point I'm going to have a go. Obviously I didn't put wet sand, so they're still a mess, but I'm going to have a go at it and see if I can actually follow the Holts kit and get it to work. So we're going to have a go with that and see how we get on. Well, I decided to do it with the headlight in, so I put some masking tape on, and then I just put some gaffer tape on top just to help with the sanding. So I'm gonna have a go with the 600 paper, wet and sand, dry first, and see how I go. Well, I had a go. I don't know if it's actually fully bright through yet, and you can't see the yellow stuff on top, but it's just really hard to tell if I've done it or not. Oil, but you can still see a few scratches on the top. But I had a go anyway, so we'll see how we get on with the other one. Maybe I did rub it too hard with the thing. I don't really know, but I don't know, it was a bit of fun. But I definitely think you use these by putting them in your palm of your hand. That was easier than using the equipment, so I think it's just not flat enough. So that's how we got on. Well, I managed to finish the second one, and it looks absolutely awesome. There's nothing now. It looks so bright. Awesome! So I'm chuffed for that. So a lot of hard work, but so it just shows you can have a go. But definitely put it in your hand, it's much easier than using the machine all the time. But the buffing thing's quite good, the polish using the machine. But yeah, excellent. So I've come back to have a look at what it looks like 9 months on, and to be honest, I mean, it's a tiny wee bit cloudy, but it's not that bad. And the same on the other side, this one that I thought had done slightly better is still like that. So after about 9 months, you see you're still like that. So I'm going to polish it for the first time, and then I think I'm quite happy, to be honest. So it's not been that bad, the Holts stuff. It seems to have worked okay. It's fine, to be honest. And now it's had some polish on it and a tiny bit of headlight cleanup. It looks alright, so I'm quite happy with that.